Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn important English structure question tag. Already students in standard 10th have studied it last year. Students in 9th standard may have studied or may not have. But today we are going to learn the details of this topic, tail tag or question tag. So let us start. Let us take one example. Samir reads newspaper. So this is a sentence or statement. How to add question tag or tail tag? Samir reads newspaper, doesn't he? Let us take another example. His sister was reading a poem. Now see how to add a question tag. His sister was reading a poem. Wasn't she? Let us have few more examples. First, let me explain. Example number 1. Samir reads newspaper. This is affirmative sentence. Again the same. Example number 2. His sister was reading a poem. Again affirmative sentence, only tense are different. This is simple present tense and this is past continuous or past progressive tense. But both are affirmative sentences. So when the sentence is affirmative, the question tag or tail tag is to be given negative as per the verb form or tense pattern, tense structure. Alright, let us see some more examples. Example number 3. Praveen is not attending music class. Now question tag. Comma. isn't he? Here we learn that when the sentence is negative, the tell tag or question tag is affirmative, because the sentence is negative. In such example we have to give affirmative or positive question tag. Let's have one more example of the same kind. Prajakta has won the first prize in elocution competition. Add question tag. So question tag Prajakta has won the first prize in elocution competition comma, hasn't he? If you see, this is affirmative sentence, so the tag is negative. When the sentence is negative, the tag is affirmative or positive. So vice versa, this rule is to be kept in mind. हे आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवावं लागेल. अजून एक गोष्ट या 4 उदाहरणांवरून लक्षात येते. We can learn one more thing from all these 4 examples, that whatever the type of sentence is, may be affirmative, may be negative, when we add question tag, the subject of the question tag which comes at the end of the sentence is always pronoun. It is not noun. This is very, very important. Now see, the sentence begins with the subject Praveen, but what is the subject of the question tag? He. So we have to make it practice and keep in mind that we have to know the subject of the given sentence and find its gender and number, and accordingly we have to use the pronoun. Here Praveen, singular number and masculine gender, so pronoun he. Again the same, Prajakta, pronoun he. So in this way we have to keep it in mind. Let us see some more examples. The children have watched the movie श्यामची आई. the children have watched the movie Shamchi Ai. Step number 1, read the sentence and ensure whether it is affirmative sentence or negative. So this is have watched affirmative sentence. Okay, so here helping verb is have, while adding question tag to the sentence, what will be the answer? The children, subject of the sentence, given sentence is in plural number. It's a common noun. The children have watched the movie Shamchi Ai. And now remove this full stop which is given at the end of the sentence, and in place of it give comma. This is important. Give comma and then add question tag. The sentence is affirmative, so here negative question tag haven't, and here subject of the question tag will be pronoun for children they, and at the end of the answer is it's a question mark. Do not forget it. So the complete answer, the children have watched the movie Shamchi Ai, haven't they? When we read the sentence with question tag, the tail tag part or the question tag is to be read in rising tone. This is very important in case of reading skill. Next example. Example number 5. She makes chapatis. Now type of sentence affirmative, so question tag will be negative. Remove full stop and give comma. Now here be attentive. This is simple present tense and with S form, because the subject of the sentence is third person singular number. In such context, S, ES or IES is added to the base verb in a sentence. When we add a question tag to such sentence, what do we need to keep in mind? She makes chapatis. So here S form is used. So and sentence is affirmative. So while giving negative question tag, we have to use doesn't. And there is pronoun. So the same pronoun with small s. Doesn't she? Question mark. So the complete answer, she makes chapatis. Doesn't she? One more example. Hari and Suraj help their father in the farm. Now see, here subject is Hari and Suraj. Tense, again simple present tense, but here subject is in plural number, so there is no s or es form to the base verb. These two sentences are having in the same tense, simple present tense, but the change is here s form is added to the base verb because the subject is third person singular number. Here in the next example, the same tense, but s, es, ies form will not be added because the subject is in plural number and they are the proper nouns. Now what changes do we need to use here or make here? Hari and Suraj help their father in the farm while adding question tag. Hari and Suraj help their father in the farm. Remove full stop, give comma. Now affirmative sentence, no s, es form, so we have to give the negative tag, so don't, and plural pronoun they. Why they? Because the subject is in plural number here in the given sentence. Now complete answer. Hari and Suraj help their father in the farm, don't they? So in this way, this is to be learned and practiced more. Let us see few more examples. I am writing an essay. This is typical one to be kept in mind because this is exception to the rule. Very important. When the primary auxiliary verb am is given in the sentence, we have to be very careful while turning the sentence into or adding it to the question type. Now see. I am writing an essay. Remove full stop and give comma. Consider the sentence is affirmative or positive, so we have to give the negative tag. But while giving negative tag to this kind of sentence, I have starred it. Giving negative tag, this kind of sentence, instead of am, you or we have to take aren't and pronoun I as it is given there. I am writing an essay, aren't I? Number 8. Again another such kind of peculiar example or exceptional to the common rules of question type. He will submit his project tomorrow. The sentence is affirmative or positive, and we have to give it, add it negative question tag. So he will submit his project tomorrow, remove full stop, give comma. Now be attentive again. I start the sentence. In case of will or simple future tense, the sentence in simple future tense with helping verb will, and when we add question tag to such example or such sentence or question, we have to use, while giving negative question tag, won't he, complete answer, he will submit his project tomorrow, won't he? So in this way we have to use it. Example number 9. My sister drew this sketch. Now the sentence is affirmative, positive, but at the same time we have to be very careful towards the verb form. This is second form, means the sentence is in simple past tense. Now how to give the question tag to such sentence? See. My sister drew this sketch, remove full stop, give comma. The sentence is affirmative or positive, so the tag will be negative. It is in second form. So didn't she? Pronoun is used for this subject at the end of the sentence. Now if the sentence, given sentence is negative, then it is very easy to give the tag. His brother did not participate in any sports in his school. His brother did not participate in any sports in his school. Now the given sentence is negative. So it's very easy to add question tag. How? See, question tag. His brother did not participate in any sports in his school, comma, remove full stop. Did he? So why did? Because the sentence is given in negative form. That's why did. So in this way, this is to be also kept in mind. Now some exceptional rules again. Example number 11, again I star it. My mother never drinks coffee. Think about the sentence. Is it affirmative or negative? It is negative. The indicator or negative word never is used in the sentence. So while adding question tag, my mother never drinks coffee. Remove full stop, use comma. Does she? See, simple present tense, negative sentence, third person singular number subject, my mother. So S form is added to the base verb, drinks, and that's why while adding question tag we have to take does with pronoun she for my mother. So these correlations are very important. This is very important. So it is not very difficult. It is in fact very easy. It needs repeated practice, revision, reading revision, writing revision. So if you make a proper planning of revisions, so it is very easy, not difficult at all. But I have starred. The starred examples are tricky one. So you have to be more attentive towards the starred examples. Let us proceed to the next one. Again one equivalent example. I star it again. Number 12. Let's determine to conserve the planted saplings in our locality. Very, very important. The sentence beginning with let's or let us. How to give or how to add question tag to this kind of examples, be attentive. Question tag. Write the sentence as it is given. Let's determine to conserve the planted saplings. Sapling means very small plants. आपण ज्या रोपांचं वृक्षारोपण करतो त्या रोपांना आपण सॅपलिंग्स म्हणतो, स्मॉल प्लांट्स, प्लांटेड सॅपलिंग्स इन आवर लोकॅलिटी. Remove full stop, give comma, and here this is fixed. Shall we? When the sentence begins with let us, it is fixed question tag. Shall we? I read the sentence. Let's determine to conserve the planted saplings in our locality. Shall we? Always question tag is to be read in rising tone in case of reading skill. So, may I request you to go through, especially the students in 10th standard, I request you, unit number 1.2, an encounter of special kind, then 1.4, be smart, and 1.5, his first flight, 2.2, the boy who broke the bank. In these lessons, you need to find some examples of this category, this type question tag, and write their answers with tail tags or adding question tags in your notebook. I read few examples from the boy who broke the bank. He used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly. Let us write here, so you will have some ideas. He used small broom hurriedly and carelessly. Add question tag. Add question tag or tail tag. So the answer, he used small broom hurriedly and carelessly. The given sentence is positive or affirmative, so we have to use negative tag. Now you see the verb form, second form is used, simple past tense. So didn't and pronoun he in small letter question mark. So the complete answer, he used small broom hurriedly and carelessly. Didn't he? In this way, you need to go through the given chapters and find more examples. If you have any problem to select the questions, visit my blog purushottamthoke.blogspot.com. So there you will have many worksheets, assignments to use for practicing. Let me explain the last example. This is also very important. I have forgotten it, so really sorry for that. I could have taken it earlier. If the sentence is imperative, this is also typical one. I star it. Open your books. Now this is an instruction, but type of sentence, imperative sentence. And if you are asked, add question tag. So open your books. Will you? This is fixed for imperative sentences. So this is also an exceptional or peculiar type. You have to be very attentive. As I told you, students in standard 9, they should refer their My English Course Book Standard 9. Find some examples. Students in Standard 10, they should refer My English Course Book 10 and find more examples. If you have any difficulty, visit the blog Purushottam Thoke blogspot.com. There you will have ready-made worksheets. You can solve the worksheets and there you will be given an answer key after 3 or 4 days and you can check your solved worksheets. So this will be provision or facilitation for self-assessment. Thank you.